Hi, hope you're having a wonderful day. I sure am. We're getting ready to go on an adventure. So sit down, buckle up, and here we go.
Welcome to Alpine, Texas. Situated between Marfa, Fort Davis, Marathon, and Terlingua, Alpine is the perfect location for many of the activities in the Big Bend region. Alpine is known for its scenic beauty, stunning geology, rich history, and cultural heritage. With plenty to do, from historic walking tours, Hispanic Heritage Tours, Mural Tours, ghost tours, and stargazing, there is sure to be something for everyone. Just 24 miles from Alpine, Fort Davis is one of the best surviving examples of an Indian Wars frontier military post in the Southwest. From 1854 to 1891, Fort Davis was strategically located to protect immigrants, mail coaches, and freight wagons on the Trans-Pecos portion of the San Antonio-El Paso Road. Despite its positioning along the San Antonio-El Paso Road and near the Great Comanche War Trail, lethal combat with Native Americans was the exception rather than the rule. Most instances of conflict were a result of Native American raiding parties focusing on stealing livestock from the post herds and civilian ranchers. Fort Davis soldiers logged thousands of miles in a futile pursuit in attempting to apprehend their adversaries. We hope you all enjoy the rest of the tour of historic Fort Davis. Well, our time today is getting short and we gotta go, so we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Oh, in case you forgot, please subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye.